Are you hearing a loud, annoying clicking sound coming from under your hood, accompanied by a sudden and frustrating loss of engine power? Your engine's intake manifold might be struggling to breathe properly. We are looking closely at diagnostic trouble code P065E, which translates to Intake Manifold Tuning Valve Performance Bank 1. Your vehicle's engine control module manages dozens of complex systems to keep your engine running smoothly. One of those critical mechanical components is the intake manifold tuning valve, which is frequently referred to by mechanics as a flapper valve. This valve actively changes position to redirect incoming air through different runners inside the intake manifold. This movement optimizes the air pressure and flow, giving you better torque and fuel efficiency depending on how hard you are pressing the gas pedal. However, these valves are often made of plastic and endure extreme underhood temperatures and heavy vibrations. When a main computer notices that the valve on bank 1, which is the side of the engine containing cylinder number 1, is failing to move or perform as commanded, it triggers this performance code. The symptoms are hard to ignore when driving. You will likely experience a severe drop in power, cold starting issues, random misfires upon startup, and decreased fuel economy. The most recognizable physical symptom is a loud, repetitive clicking noise coming from the intake as the tiny electric motor struggles to move a jam valve. The most common causes include a valve that is physically broken, completely stuck due to carbon contamination, or frozen solid from extreme cold winter weather. You could also be dealing with chafed wiring, a shattered electrical connector, or a failing engine control module. If you want to troubleshoot this yourself, start by visually inspecting the wiring harness that connects to the tuning valve. Look closely for melted plastic, broken clips, or wires rubbing against hot engine parts. If you have a high-end bidirectional scan tool, you can electronically command the valve to open and close. If you command it and hear that awful clicking, the valve is definitely jammed or shattered internally. Here is when you need to call a professional mechanic for help. On many modern vehicles, this valve is mounted deep inside the intake manifold. Replacing it is not an easy afternoon project and often requires tearing down the entire top half of the engine. More importantly, you should never ignore this code. If the plastic valve breaks apart, those pieces can get sucked directly into your engine's combustion chamber, causing catastrophic and permanent damage to the pistons and valves. Play it safe, get it correctly diagnosed, and protect your engine from destroying itself. Thanks for watching, and we will see you on the next automotive repair.